This question comes from Ankara.
Yes.
A brother asked that according to Hadith, the revival of the man will be from the last piece of bone on the spine.
Huh?
The revival of a man will be from the last piece of bone on the spine.
I think he's confused in his question.
What?
Yes, I think he's referring to the verse of the Holy Quran, خُلِقَ الْإِنسَانُ مِنْ مَاءٍ دَافِقٍ يَخْرُجُ مِنْ بَيْنِ الصُّلْبِ وَالتَّرَائِبِ.
And he said that would Huzur agree this?
But she's referring to a hadith.
Yes, he's confused.
He wrote that this is hadith. And he said, would Huzur agree that this should be investigated by the scientist?
First of all, I would like you or someone else to help me in understanding this question, to understand this question, please.
Hazur, she said that the revival of man...
Revival of men?
Yes. According to one hadith, which he did not mention any reference to it, will start from the spine of a man.
The last piece of spine.
The last piece of spine. This is what the eye...
is mentioned, of course, but this is not mentioned. Whatever the questioner refers to is, to my knowledge, non-existent. No reference in Hadith or the Quran, to my knowledge, refers to the last piece, which is the last bone of the spinal cord. And the question says that according to some Hadith, the revival of man will begin from that. I don't think so. First of all, it's because it is contradictory to the Quran. يَخْرُجُ مِنْ بَيْنِ الصُّلْبِ وَالتَّرَائِبِ is quite a different story. This bone which is being referred to by the questioner is called coccyx. Last four bones of the vertebral column are bonded together to make this piece of coccyx, to which the scientists say the tail was attached. A tail was attached before, like you find a monkey's tail, and also sometimes you find monkeys without a tail, but the coccyx is apparent. You can see the small portion of the spinal cord with which the tail used to be attached. So this is amazing that the Holy Quran should say that man will grow from his tail. It doesn't, to my knowledge, it doesn't.